Hi, I'm Eric Bolt. I'm the Warning Coordination Meteorologist for the National Weather Service. This is Monsoon Awareness Week. In this video, we'll talk about debris flows on recent burn scars. The western United States is prone to large wildfires every year, and some years it seems that the wildfire season never ends. Once a fire is out, it leaves a barren landscape in its place, void of most vegetation and trees that normally would hold the soil in place and prevent erosion. The loss of plants and roots on severely burned hillsides leaves the land susceptible to dangerous debris flows during future heavy rain events. Soils in a burn scar are much less capable of absorbing water, and the top layer of soil becomes hydrophobic or fused together like pavement. Maps are created by the USGS to indicate where the highest burn intensities occurred and which watersheds are most likely to generate flash flooding and debris flows. The key to a debris flow from a burn scar is intense, short-duration rainfall, which can occur in just a few minutes. This type of heavy rain can occur at any time of the year, but are especially threatening during monsoon thunderstorms across the southwest. When intense rain impacts the burn scar, water rapidly travels downhill, scouring away loose soil, ash, rocks, boulders, trees, and other material on its way to a lower part of a natural or man-made drainage. Mud, rock, and debris can travel at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour and be as tall as a two-story building. You cannot outrun a debris flow, swim through it, or stop it. A debris flow following a wildfire can be more threatening to your life than the actual fire. If you live in a community below a recent wildfire, the potential for debris flows is immediate and should be taken seriously. Listen to local officials about actions you can take to protect your property in advance of debris flows. Stay aware of weather forecasts when heavy rain may be predicted or a flash flood watch is issued by the National Weather Service. Make a go kit and be ready to leave when you are told to evacuate and before the rain begins. These measures and your personal actions may save your life.